The big question has been, will India stop buying Russian oil, as Donald Trump claims? Well, India's energy calculus remains firmly anchored in strategic autonomy, even as the India-U.S. trade deal resets economic equations. In fact, our Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri is making it clear, when it comes to buying Russian oil, national interest will be the guiding principle. He has underlined that India's energy basket will remain diversified, with sourcing decisions actually driven by market dynamics and taken by oil companies themselves. You must note that this comes amid global scrutiny over India's continued import of discounted Russian crude. Listen in to what our Foreign Secretary has just said.
I can firmly and confidently say that whether it is the government or indeed our business, at the end of the day, national interests will be the guiding factor for us in our choices. Thank you.
Colleague Arjun is tracking the latest developments for us. He's here for further clarity. Arjun, Vikram Misri has stressed national interest is going to be the guiding principle as far as purchasing Russian oil is concerned. How exactly is Washington reading this signal or likely to read this signal?
To hear from Washington, but very importantly, you heard the Foreign Secretary underlining, or rather reiterating, if I may, Parmeshwar, once again, that India, we will keep on diversifying our oil interests, our crude oil interests like we have been. And it's not only the government, but also the companies, the private players that at the end decide according to the market conditions, according to the availability, where and how much oil they're going to procure from. But very interestingly, the Foreign Secretary did not really comment on the U.S. statement, which in fact also mentioned setting up of one sort of a committee to in fact monitor that India indeed stops procuring Russian oil. So I think the government has a lot of answering to do here. And of course, needless to say, the opposition will raise a lot more questions again. Back to you.
Continue to track the latest with you. Thanks so much, Arjun. We'll leave it there for now.